It's now time for the changing weather. Snow is in the forecast. Super Bowl Sunday is going to happen. The Chiefs against the Eagles. And what is going on with this weather pattern? Let's take a look. I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak with Weather 2020. I want to begin with the LRC model showing that it predicted 6 weeks ago it was going to snow in this next 10-day stretch. And we'll finish with Sunny and Rainbow doing some tricks. All right, Sunny and Rainbow, the weather dogs. All right, let's take a look at the full screen. This is the LRC model from our dashboard from weather2020.com. Watch this, all right? This is precipitation for the 10-day stretch of February 10th to February the 20th. The Kansas City area is in this 11.3 inches of snow. That's the forecast. And then out near Salina, 8.7 inches of snow. Up here in north central Kansas, 5 inches of snow. So the bullseye is right in Wyandotte County. Look at that, 11.3 inches with 10.9 around that. So this is the snowfall forecast from Weather 2020's LRC model. In the Kansas City area, in Platte County, 10.8 inches. Look at that, 11 inches of snow extending off to the east. So very interesting, right? This is the LRC model predicted 6 weeks ago. That is the prediction for Kansas and Missouri from the LRC model. And I need to make this clear. 6 weeks ago, it made this prediction for this next 10-day stretch coming up. So let's see what happens. Here we go. And you can see what happens. This energy comes down across the Pacific Northwest and forms into this negatively tilted trough. It's very interesting. It's positively tilted and negatively tilted at the same time. It's tough to explain this part. It's negatively tilted. And that's going to produce the snow on Wednesday. And then it's followed by a second storm that comes across. Very interesting, this one that comes across. Let's see what that one did. I haven't looked at this yet. And look at that. There's another snowstorm, Valentine's Day, the day after Valentine's Day. Wow. And then that moves on by. So that's the third storm. Let's go look at these. How often do you see this in Kansas City? So here's Kansas City. Look at Southern California at the same time. Watch. So snow starts in Kansas City. This is at 6 p.m. Tuesday. And then that storm just produces a little bit. Then this one comes in at noon Wednesday. So there's number 2. That goes by. Then Southern California. Look at this. Los Angeles. Hello, Los Angeles. Look at this. There's a storm. If this takes the farther south track because the Arctic oscillation is going south, this is interesting. But look at that. A big storm in Southern California that could produce 2 or 3 inches of rain. What? They haven't had that all season. And then that comes across and produces a third to fourth storm in Kansas City. How much snow was that? Watch our snowfall totals. Okay, I'll go to snowfall totals. And there it is. Look at that. Look at Kansas. Looks similar to what the LRC forecasted 6 weeks ago, doesn't it? So let's go back to the beginning of this now. Watch. Here's Kansas City. Look at the snowfall. Add up. So there's the first storm. About 1 to 2 inches of snow. That's the first storm by Tuesday. Then we're waiting for the second one. The second one adds it up to 6 to 7 inches of snow. All right? And where I'm at, 3 to 6 inches of snow. I live right here. And then the final one comes in. And look at that. That's a lot of snow in Kansas. So we'll see how that one lines up. Not sure about that. So bottom line is a series of storms is coming in. The LRC model predicted it. And of course, if you've been watching since I was in Kansas City January 5th, 6th, and 7th, and the 9th when that second storm came through, we had the 2 snows. We said it was going to return around Valentine's Day, okay, that week. So how can you do that? There is only one way, and that's the LRC. All right, And let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe to this channel, and here comes Rainbow and Sunny with some tricks. Good girl. Let's do some tricks. You ready to do some tricks? All right, guys, let's do the double shake. Double shake. Good girl. Double shake, Sunny. Double shake. Good girl. And now the double dog down. Double dog down. Come on, Rainbow. Double dog down. Good girl. Double dog up. Double dog up. Good girl. Tornado. Double tornado. Good girl. Sit. Speak. Good girl. Rainbow. Rainbow. Legs. 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 Reverse. Good girl. Tornado. Stand. Good girl. Look at that new collar. I love it. Tornado. Here we go. Tornado. Up. Speak. Good girl. Good stand. Yeah. Let's go, Chiefs! Super Bowl! Thank you for watching The Changing Weather.